guys doing? Welcome to a brand new vlog. But today we're starting the brand new vlog as the creative director, KK Events and Deco. You guys, I have a wedding today on the mainland and I'm leaving very early this morning. My staffs are there, but I'm the one carrying the spandex. You don't know what spandex is? Spandex is fabric. You know, I'm the one carrying the fabrics. I'm the one carrying a lot of things. So I'm picking up my other staff just by the junction, and then we're heading down. This wedding has been a long time coming though. Yeah, the wedding has been a long time coming. I'm trying to clear my front residue. That's why you're seeing me. I'm just trying to look front. This wedding has been a long time coming because myself and the bride, we've been planning since, and the planner as well. And I'm happy. I hope that today, fingers crossed, of course I'll carry you guys along because I'm driving all the way to the mainland. I'm also picking up someone that also knows the mainland very well. So yeah, you guys, let me try and clear my front view. I'm not really saying very well. I'll speak to you guys. Hey guys, your Bumsy is tired. What a day I have had today. What a day I've had today. Hold on, let me clean my lens. Okay, I think I've cleaned my lens enough. You guys, what a day I've had today. I'm so knackered. You didn't see it? Please let me open my back seat and see if it's there. Is there? Okay, thank you. What a day I've had today. I'm even thinking about pulling off my wig and just going to go and rest because I've had such a long day. Tomorrow is another long day. I'm done for the day. My kids did not even go to school today because there was flood everywhere, but I needed to be in the office today. Hey guys, my battery is just even showing me low. I need to get to the house to also relax, pull off my wig and actually edit videos that I'm gonna put up for this week. I thought I edited videos that was going to go up for this week, but I did not do that. You guys, I had bank runs. I needed to finish a lot of things in the office. Just so many things today, so many things that I just feel like the time is 5:38 right now and my eyes are fallen. I'm fasting, I'm praying. You guys, it's mid-year fasting. Are you fasting as well? It's mid-year fasting. I'm fasting and praying because a lot of things around me has to change. Oh my god, so I start putting it on the floor.
So I think there's somewhere that's already
leaking
that water is entering from. That's why.
Guys, I've gotten back home, but I've just been seated inside the car because the flood we are experiencing this year.
So
Baby, I don't want to park that side. That place where the sockaway broke, this side.
There's other space on that side now.
It's closer for me to just jump into the house. It's closer for me to jump into the house. Alright, love. Guys, I just parked inside my car and editing video because at my back seat you could see water
Mr. Bichukes has come back from work too as well, and he just came to help me. The flood situation in Lagos this year is just terrible. Trust me. I mentioned it in like a few vlogs back that a lot of you really watched, And somebody came and wrote that there's no flood on the mainland, it's only on the island. Are you kidding me? Just say there is no flood where you live. Don't say there is no flood on the mainland. Are you watching the news? Are you seeing what is happening? Are you seeing places that are flooded? I'm just sitting inside my car and just, editing videos. Baby, did you forget something? Ha.
Hey guys, good morning. Let me show you guys what's happening outside. It's raining seriously, and I'm supposed to be stepping out now to meet, my fellow island people that we are heading straight to the venue. You guys, I don't just know. My husband is working from home today, so he's the one taking the kids to school. But with this rain, because yesterday we decided that we're not going to take them to school. The rain was so much, Kaito and Kama were already coughing, and thank God that the school provided like a Google meeting where they could stay at home and also learn as well, because the flood situation in Lagos has been crazy. People have been talking about it, like, if you are on the internet in the Nigerian space, a lot of blogs, a lot of people have been talking about it. But this morning is my class, and I'm supposed to be heading down to the mainland this morning, and I'm supposed to meet one person. Is already even waiting for us at the bus stop. I'm supposed to have met her since like 10 minutes ago, but it started drizzling. You guys, I'm thinking I will take out this wig and I will just wear this. I was trying to look for shower cap. I cannot find shower cap, so I will just wear this one just to protect my wig, and put the wig inside the bag. When I reach where I'm going to, I'll brush it, or when I'm inside the bus, I'll brush it and wear it back again. But this is the price for greatness. When you guys see Bonsi tomorrow reaping the fruit of all her labor, the sweat, the rain, under the sun, she says let her go acquire knowledge, to be able to be an expert in this decoration of the thing, this event decoration and planning of the thing. They will say, oh, they will think I just fell from the sky and just started the journey. Just, when I start calling the money now, they will say, she overcharges. You will not know. I will refer you back to my YouTube channel where I used to enter under the rain. These things are built up to my success in this event industry. I refer you back to my video when I used to enter under this rain to go to class all the way down far in Egbeda, so please, I'm just thinking how I'm going to go. As my husband is dropping the kids, maybe I will hop into the car and maybe he will stop me at the junction, just like he did last time. Maybe he'll stop me at the junction. From there we'll now find our way and be going. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you're doing in the comment section. It's been all about me and my journey and road to success. Come with me to my road to success. But yeah, I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and yeah, I'll see you. Let me figure a way to leave this place. I think when I was videoing outside here, you could see the suckaway that they dug and they have not come to cover for. It has obstructed a lot of things. It's close to that my mango tree. I usually will pluck mangoes from, That's not why I'm here. Let's just find a way to start heading out. Oh, you guys on our way. Let's cover my hair. On our way. My wig is inside the bag.
A few moments later.
Tell me why you're crying. Now you come into my heart.
I'm so back to you. From class, I came for my setup. I have a setup today. I'm gonna show you guys. I came quickly for my setup. The traffic on the road is so crazy. But let me get down because I told my assistant to get food. I'm very famished. Hey, tell me man that water. My water, my this thing. Please. Ah, see. The chibis you guys can share. Oh. Don't give me. Where is the spoon?
The next day.
Children have to go through.
The water is more, guys. We have been parked in Iyanowo Road since this is more than 1 hour, standing at the bus stop and waiting for bus. Oh my god! That's oh, we've just been here waiting, no bus. We've just been here waiting, no bus. What's happening?
Go again with your deaf ears.